Good afternoon, student. Today we are continue our previous chapter from history, chapter number 8, religious development in the medieval period. We have already discussed about the Bhakti movement, and today we will discuss about the some philosopher of India. And the first one is Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya was one of the greatest philosophers of India. He was born in a village called Kaladi in Kerala in the 8th century AD. He established five centers of learning called maths. These maths were at Badrinath, Dwarka, Sringeri, Puri, and Kanchipuram. In this way, he sought to bring the cultural unity in India. And the next one is Ramanuj. Ramanuj was born in Tamil Nadu. He was a great Bhakti sant. He believed that devotion to God was more important than knowledge. And also, he deeply influenced by the Alvars. Alvar is the follower of the Vishnu, Lord Vishnu. Vishnu helped the devotees to attain the bliss of union with him. Ramanuj advocated social equality and condemned the caste based restriction on entering temples. His philosophy later spread to North India also. Next philosopher was Dadda Basavana. Basavana, that the movement on Virasvis, this movement began in Karnataka in mid 12th century AD. And the next one is that the Sant of Maharashtra. Who was the Sant of Maharashtra? That the Janeswar, Namdev, Eknath, and Tukaram. And all these sons included important women son like Sakubai and the family of Chokhan Mela who belong to the untouchable Mahar caste. And the next one is that the Bhakti movement in North India. And some of the influential philosophers of North India are as follows. First one is that the Tulsi Das. Tulsidas accepted existing religious belief and practice, but he wanted to make these accessible to the people of all castes, including women. He worshipped Lord Rama and also he composed a famous epic Ramcharitmanas in the Awadhi language. And the next one is Surdas. Surdas was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. His extremely work included Sursagrara, Surasvali, and Sahit Lahari. And the next one is that the Sankara Dev. He was an influenced Bhakti Sant of Assam. Next one is that the Chaitan Mahaprabhu, and he was a great sant from Bengal and an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. And the next one is Ravidas. He was a great sant who belonged to a caste considered untouchable. And the last one is that the Mirabai. And Mirabai was the wife of the crown prince of Mewar. She was the discipline of Ravidas. She gave up her life of luxury and became an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. She became popular with the masses. The masses preserved the memory of Mirabai. And today this chapter is finished, and in next class we will discuss about the very short and short question answer. Okay, thank you.